While experimenting with Google's Gemma 4, I discovered a troubling pattern. The better a text is written, the more correct the grammar, the better the stylistic pacing, and the more logical the structure, the more likely it is to be flagged as AI. This creates a dangerous incentive, especially in academia. If students are penalized for high AI detection scores, they will be forced to deliberately introduce errors to avoid being accused. If the goal is to achieve a low detection score, the easiest path is to produce mediocre, error-prone text. Because humans naturally strive to meet the criteria for high grades, AI detectors effectively penalize excellence and reward incompetence. This is a no-win scenario, much like the witch trials of the 1600s. In those trials, a woman was thrown into a pond. If she floated, she was a witch and was burned. If she sank, she was innocent but drowned. In both cases, the accused lost. AI detectors create the same trap. If you submit high-quality text, it is dismissed as AI. If you submit poor text, it passes the test but is useless to the reader. Either way, quality dies and mediocrity survives. Why does this happen? Fundamentally, because AI is trained on human output. Since AI aims to replicate the most statistically significant, i.e. the best human writing, detectors are essentially asking, is this text too close to being statistically perfect? This makes the very concept of an AI detector an oxymoron. We are essentially punishing people for writing well. If we continue to use these tools, we will trigger a race to the bottom, where the standard for human communication is intentionally degraded just to prove our humanity.